Hi guys, this week I worked on a project for once because Ethan has been amazing and I've been slacking keeping up with our little art, but made these little coaster things, we're calling it the four corners. It turned out really cool. You could tell during the video that it didn't exactly go how I thought it was gonna go, but it's okay. It turned out really pretty and they all look super cool, and we're gonna put like a resin over them so that way they can be used as like coasters in your house and they won't get like stained if they're wet. So I'm really excited. So please like, subscribe, and watch our videos. And thanks again. Bye.